Hello everybody, this is Stephen French with a quick video on perhaps the best way to use all of the oral videos, the GCSE Spanish oral videos that I've just put up on the net. So I've put this on my blog, and all I'm going to do really is just to read through the blog, and hopefully this will give you a good idea on how to make the very best of the videos that I've put up. So let's get going. So GCSE Spanish Oral, how to use the online videos effectively. So that's basically the title. So let's read it through. So there are a lot of videos on the GCSE Spanish YouTube channel. This article will show you how to get the most out of them. So let's dive in. So number one, find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. I think this is really important. Find somewhere, block yourself away somewhere so you can really concentrate on the videos and what's actually being said. Now, I know this is not possible for one or two people, but if you can, it's really the best way to make the most of your time. Then what I'd suggest you do, excuse me, is to play the video through once. And the idea is here that you're going to let your ears get used to the Spanish. Now, this is especially true, say if you've got the exam on the Tuesday and the Wednesday and you haven't had the Spanish since the previous week. This is one way to really get your ears up and running and listening to Spanish, because I know sometimes for students that little break between lessons and the actual exam is super important, and it does, as it says on the screen here, it will help let your ears get used to the Spanish. Now, what I am saying again is there's absolutely no harm in playing it through again, and it will let your ears get used to the questions. Okay, so moving down to point number 4. If you've already prepared some answers, listen to the questions, stop the video after each question, and then say your answer. So that is the key. You're actually now interacting with the video. Stop the video, say your answer. Play the next question, stop the video, play the answer. And this is the way that you will really maximize or get the best out of the video, and it will be the best use of your time, your hearing and your interacting. Now, what I put here is slowly but surely your confidence will begin to increase, and that is undoubtedly true. And perhaps you might smile when you read this, say the Spanish boldly, but in fact, the bolder you are, the more confident you will feel, and that will make you feel good for the exam. Because we teachers know that the GCSE Spanish Oral is pretty stressful, and the better prepared you are, the better you will feel. And one of the ways to act this out, if you like, is just to say the Spanish boldly. And I'm sure that all of your teachers have been saying this to you, but repetition is one of the keys to success in the GCSE Spanish Oral. Yep, the more you repeat it, the more it gets stuck into your brain, and the easier it is to actually stay the stuff. So, to conclude, the videos are a useful source to help you revise in a focused way for the GCSE Spanish exam. If you follow the above steps, all well and good, but why don't you make a comment? Put a comment on the channel if you found this useful, or perhaps if you did something slightly different, and then perhaps that would help other people. So I do encourage you to comment either on the blog or on the YouTube channel, and that would be absolutely great. And as you can see here, well, if you're listening to this, it will be on YouTube anyway, so all of this is not of any use to you really, but click on the link below for the YouTube channel playlist, and there you have it. And then of course, if I actually click on this, there is the first video in the series. So I hope you found that useful. Hasta pronto, amigos míos.